Derby are in the mud, no two ways about it. So, we're gonna rebuild them. Yeah. So, we're gonna stick. So we're gonna stick with the money we've. But obviously, for realism. Yeah, for realism, what we're gonna do is we're gonna. And since short-term contracts don't really exist, we're only. Because if I put them in the transfer embargo, where they can only sign free agents on short-term contracts. So we're going to keep to realism, except we won't be able to sign anyone because short-term contracts aren't a thing on this game. And in January, we're even stricter. We could barely get a loan over the line. I don't know why I'm saying we. I don't support Derby. So yeah, this is really about flogging people. This window, and nothing more. We're gonna take this club to Champions League. We're gonna sim every game aside from the Champions League final, and yeah, pray. Got a first look at our youth academy, and the only one I'm gonna promote to the senior team is this guy. Okay, now this is what our squad's looking like. And to be fair, there's worse. Though I don't know whether I want to shove him in there instead of him and see what happens. Oh god, maybe not. He's about as versatile as a wet sock. Put him there, obviously. He should be on the bench. Just pin Stratton off, obviously. Obviously, they put our best goalkeeper in the reserves. As you do. And yeah, I'm happy with how it looks for now. Alright, let's get the transfer. Got our first transfer offer, but as you know, given that, you know, things, and our team, and how I'm going to do this, it'll be difficult to sell players. Or I wonder who they're looking at. Bielek. He's that fella who probably shouldn't be on the bench. So I'm gonna have to change the roles. He'll do. He'll do. And yeah, I'm gonna reject. Okay, so this, no. But this is interesting. Because they're offering us a player in return. He's 66 overall, though. So, unless he was like 70 or 69, I'm not even going to think about it. I'm going to think about selling this guy, like. It's the lowest we're going to accept. Again with the swap deal, let's see who they've got. Yes. Yes. Can he play in any other position? Because I might want to try to convert him. Yeah. Let's get this guy signed. I'm gonna be nice to myself and let me sign swap deal players, but apart from that. Right. We're done. It's on 5,200, just again to make life easier. I'll just offer him 6,000. Yeah. Right, boom. As long. Welcome to Carlisle. God, I've been doing that for so long. Okay, well, that's it for the window. It was always going to be quiet if I couldn't really spend any money. Yeah. We're into Jan. Of course, we are below target because we don't really have the team for mid-table. We are in 18th in the league. So we're comfortably staying up by the looks of things. Let's see how far we are away from the relegation zone. We're 7 points clear, so should be alright. So yeah, we've got a scouting network now, just so I might not get sacked. Just hope that saves me. Right, continuing on. He's going nowhere. He must be out of contract. I was right, he's out of contract, so chances are he's going to Real Valladolid. Oh yeah, I'm not coming to any international team. Sorry. Yeah, he's going. Jozwiak. We've got an Apple worker in our team. Oh no, that's Wozniak. Damn it. Anyway, no, he's not going anywhere. None of my players are going anywhere. No players are coming unless they're swap deals. As you know, we were never going to do anything in this window apart from sell any of our deadwood. And no one's even bid for any of our deadwood. We're just some pre-contracts. That's literally it. No. We're only going to sell our literal deadwood like our reserves. Or maybe some of our bench players. Feels weird seeing Lazio. Congratulations on removing a cat abuser from your team. Move to Italy. Where I don't know what they do. Oh, Kieran Trippier, you could have been a City. You're at Newcastle. Okay, that's it for deadline day. We'll see you at the end of the season. Okay, chances are we're getting sacked, but if you don't know why I went that far down, then danger. There's just like one of those was a bloody defender. Oh, that is a load of crap. I sound like a load of plays for the youth academy, and not a single one was a defender. Okay, surely he counts because he's a goalie. One of you's better be a bloody defender. Okay, chain of events have led us to where we are now. Obviously, there's going to be countless suspensions because I'm simming everything. Okay, we did make it to that target. Ish. Well, he's just talking about stuff. And then there was this Stratton guy who was like, I want your contract and wages. He wanted it. He then submitted a transfer request because I was simming everything, so I didn't even see it, like Arsene Wenger. And then he wanted rotation. You're 58 overall. No. You're shit. So I released him. Yay. Okay, I'm just gonna sim until pretty much the end of the season. Okay, we're finishing 17th, but as you know, I'm probably gonna sign some more players. Like Hutchinson wants bigger wages, which fair enough. I think he's one of my. Actually, he's not as good as I thought he was. I'll still make sure of it. It's all right. Right, where was I? Giving Hutchinson a new contract. I think he was a midfielder, so we have way too many centre backs. There we go. That is okay. He's got 2 months left. Jesus, is it not going on a free transfer? It's mental. Oh, no one's going. Let's just try 3 years. That's what they always say. No, I don't do release clauses. Right, he says he wants more. I'll just give him $3 grand and just hope for the best. Cool. Okay, boom, did it. Okay, we're not getting sacked. Hurrah! But we couldn't even put. All our goalkeepers are going because all their contracts have run out and they're asking for important when I want like a 70 something rated goalkeeper. Yeah. I'll probably have quite a decent transfer budget because I saved all of the money for mine because I sort of had to. But now, boom, Mike Ashley has paid most of the debts, has taken over Newcastle, and our embargo's been lifted. Which means we're going to buy a hell of a lot of players. A lot of our players are out of contract, so we have to do a lot of contract talks to get it all sorted out. Yeah. Hopefully now we'll have a decent season with some reinforcements. Kazim Richards is retiring annoyingly, so gonna have to have a look at like positions where I need improvement. I need people in the goalie case. We've got about 10 million. We're going to get to spend it a lot of it right. Well, we've started off by signing this free agent on a free. 72 overall. I will take that. We've also signed a 65 rated backup. I'm going to see what other positions I need improvements on, which is probably most of them. Now, this is someone I'm happy to see, because on the Carlisle career mode, I'm still doing it. I ended up winning it. Oh, damn. Serge Aurier's there in the free agents. I mean, he won't be there in the Prem, but obviously I'm not going to sign him in the bloody Championship. Like, come on, Serge Aurier in the Championship. No. But I know this guy, and he was about 70 odd rated when I signed him. The last time I signed him. So he should be quite similar, so I'm happy to see this guy's face. Um, 3 years, hopefully. 1 year. Do not like 1 year contracts at all. That's okay. I'm happy with that. I don't do release clauses. Right. 12k, we'll go for that. Boom! We've got him. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him. We should be about 70 odd rated again. 73. Right, sound. So we've got ourselves a right back by mistake. But, you know, hey, even looking through those free agents again. Some bloody unrealistic ones in there, like bloody, what's his name? Kolasinac and another one that I forgot already. Right, rotation, because he's literally our backup left back. Right. Because our other one's leaving on a pre-contract. 5 years, obviously. Right, no release clause, that's sound. Right, no idea what to give him. I'll try 6k and hope it's not too off. Yes! It's a reasonable offer. I might have overpaid him a little, but payout. 60 rated. It's not the greatest. But he's only backup. Actually, he's third choice, actually. Yeah, Coliseum, and there was another one in here. I'll be able to find him when I see him. It's like something ridiculous. Emerson, yeah, that's it. Emerson. That is more like it. 67 overall. Yeah, I'm just getting a load of free agents. It's me, Mario. I'm a left back. I'm quite a shit left back, to be fair. A slight improvement. We've got 69 overall. Obviously, he's rejected it, so basically, I'm just gonna have to rely on free agents, I guess, because I am not loaning anyone in. Or maybe I'll just buy someone permanently. I'm not sure. Yeah, try to get him in. Big fat L. Gonna use someone else. And our last sign of the window is the 69 rated striker, unless we sell someone else, obviously. Ideally, one on my right. I've only just realised I have a crap left mid. So I ended up getting someone who I also signed for Carlisle after I cancelled the series, Alex Bainer. Honestly. And I noticed Albertengo in the thing here when I was looking for strikers. I didn't see no Clark Harris though. So he's still at the club, by the way, and he's a literal club legend at this point. So is Conte and Denanga. Denanga is seen a lot more favourably now. But Bainer, result 69 overall, which I think a lot of my players have been. But 21 years old. Boom. And at least I'm going to negotiate. 4.5 million is what's been offered. He's 24 and 73 overall. So I'm going to try to get it to 5.5. And I won't accept any less than 5.3. So we'll have to see what happens. 4.5 million. Pros due transfer fee. That doesn't really help. I'll probably just stick that on because I'm too lazy to get it out of here. I don't even know if that's like a regen manager. Right. Excuse me, I'll shove it down to 5.3 real quick. I might even go see if we'll do a swap deal. Oh, actually, I changed it to 5.3, they agreed it. Yeah. Never mind, I'm glad I decided against Boys Caicedo, because he's kind of crap and we don't really need the centre mid. Right, Brown loan offer. Haven't even sorted out the loan lists. But absolutely, I will let him go out on loan. Well, let's go. The Vegan Club. That just makes me think of Clash. Yes, I do listen to Dave a bit. The best song on the album, Survivor's Guild, just give me a sec. Let's go. 100%. I don't know why he gives us shoe picks. Someone's gonna put that on their OnlyFans. Right, 60-40, I'm paying less wages, 100%. 270k, 55 rated player. I'm gonna try for 300k. But if I don't, I'll probably just accept whatever, because it's not a bad offer. And I'm just gonna have to see what happens. Okay, sound. Done. That's over the line. That's over the line. This is new. I will 100% let him go out on loan. Yes. There's a cup of tea. 1 year loan. Yes. Wage. I wonder how I was going to do it. Oh, they're paying more than us. Okay, sound. Right, 300k. 20 and 57 rated. 100%. Yeah, go on. He's a downgrade, but I've already rejected a bid for Ravel Morrison that I couldn't be bothered filming. Focus. Good boy. But yeah, quite simply, he's going nowhere. This guy, how much can you get for him? About 1.5 million. It's on market value. I'll try to get 1.5, but I'm going to sell him either way because I need a bit of a clear out of right backs. So it would help to get one out. So we don't have as much decent right backs. Okay, boom. Done it. Done. If we get 8 million, I'll sell him. Anything else, no chance. 74 rated, 24 years old. It's 8 or bust, basically. Told you. Again, I doubt they'll give 8 million, but you know, you can always try. Right. Yeah, he's going nowhere. Get a downgrade, but he's 70 rated and 21. So I'm a lot happier about that than no. He might actually have to be first choice. I'm gonna have a look at my team. Yes, definitely. Don't know what the hell Hutchinson is doing there. Don't know why I'm not playing him. Actually, I do know why I'm not playing him, because Ravel Morrison exists. But a bit anticlimactic, this transfer window, to be honest with you, but hey-oh. Oh god, there you go, there's Clark Harris. We did make a profit, so hang on. Financially, this was a good window. Oh god, Haaland's gone. Surely Dortmund have made a profit this window. Ayo, they got Corona. Everton have Corona. And they seem to have 1 million injuries as well. This was a bad idea, wasn't it? At least some of our players are quite young. So they'll hopefully improve. Right, Steven Sibley is weird. We don't have a centre attacking midfielder. How much can we get for him? Not much more than that. Boom. Right, Graham Shinney, he's 31, so I'm happy to let him leave to Family Cow. I've got Ravel Morrison for another year. Louis Watson. I could use him. It's like reserve squad player. Right. Although, let's be honest, we had a very, very quiet window. This is literally what happens. Again, profit. I'm doing you wonders for your bloody finances. Although that's the only thing I'm doing wonders for you for. It's getting annoying how I've got really... how crap we are in sim games, apparently. And we only seem to go on runs of decent form. No. Should I make it consistent, yo? Oh, Travers. Yeah, so how much can I get for him? 2.8. I can't have him rotting on the bench, really. So, I'm not gonna sell him in Jan. I'll sell him in the summer, happily. Just not in Jan, because my centre-backs are crap. Hutchinson, Isaac Hutchinson. Again, could use him in the squad. If you're rated under 60, or like on 60 or something, then I'll let you go, but... Okay, that's it. Yeah. This team goes on good winning streaks and very crap losing streaks. That's what I've learned. Oh, hello. That squad's still a bit subpar. Like, every single player is over 70 rated. Our keeper's 75 overall. And we still crap. I don't get it. I'm not sacked, okay, anyway. This is a right. I've decided I could do with a decent goal scorer. So, 12.5 million, Lucas Boye. 76 rated. Boom. This anticlimactic signing is still staying. Like, I've wasted all my transfer, well, not really wasted, I've spent all my transfer budget on Lucas Boye. So, can't really get anyone probably that great for him unless I see a decent free agent. Right. Let's go back. Do I? Yeah, I do. I do. I most definitely do. $350, $21.61. Can see if I can get to 400k. You know what? I'm not even gonna leave the $3,000 in there. Boom. Oh yeah, not only that, I did close the recording, but I need to do this guy as well. Sound. 280k, 2260. Let's see if I can get it to 320. Oh shoot. Well, I fucked that up by complete mistake. 6.2, I could get up to 9.3. I'm gonna go 9 mil or bust with this one, because I don't want to sell the guy. Okay, boom. Told you. I don't want to sell. Ooh, I'm thinking about this one, you know, a Kappa. Focus. Good boy. How much can I get for him? 2.6. I'll try to get it to 2.5. Boom. Right, I've sold a Kappa. He's gone. But this is great news for Nieta. Yeah. Gonzalez. How much can you get for him? About 410. Yeah. How much can you get this for this guy? Exactly $1 million. 960. I'll accept it, but I'll try to get $1 million because it sounds nicer. Not 91. Boom. Got a backup keeper. 63 overall. Not bad. Because we sold. We've had an okay start. I thought Boye would make the difference. Oh god. It's a massive profit. Right, here's us. That's a massive unprofit. Oh god, Zambo Anguissa, he must have cost a hell of a lot for them. Bubbles are surprisingly crap on this game. I finished 17th, they finished 16th. Alex Tellez. Alexander Golovin. Just looking at these players. Luka Jovic. Top deal Federico Chiesa. Not sure if he respected in England. Alright, who's this for? Boehner. No. Juan Foyth. Didn't he play for Tottenham? That's the end. Okay, so these we could get now. £9 million. Essentially, the highest we could up there with the highest we could get with them. But again, I'm not going to sell them. Alright. Nor am I going to sell this guy. Oh, God. Anyway. What the way? Right. No, I'm not really in the mood for selling anyone, I'm afraid. Sorry. I don't know what he's on about. Oh, boss. Bruh, we're good enough. Oh yeah, we're challenging for promotion. I forgot to bloody mention that. Finish mid-table. Finally, I'm exceeding expectations for the first time ever. Right, let's get this transfer deadline die over with. I'm not going to really sell anyone unless they're crap. Right. We obviously are knocked out of the League Cup, otherwise I'd tell you. Yo! We are in, like, the 8th finals. There's the quarterfinals, so there should be the 8th finals, because we're through to round 5. You know what I mean? 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 Yo, that was a very boring transfer window. Oh yeah, Nieto. I couldn't get him to agree to just sign on important. He wanted to be crucial, but he's not going to be crucial next season if we're in the Prem. When I get Kyle Walker-Peters, because that's who I'm planning on getting. Jesus Christ, Gravenberch. Congratulations on making it to your 150th game. You've won 62 of them and lost 54 of them. 30 of those wins came this season. Obviously, the top scorer, Lucas Boye, is in demand, even though I haven't had any bids for him for some reason. I was about to say age level. Right, Amarella. Again. Summer, maybe. Now, no. No, my guy Buchanan is staying put. Like all my first team players, pretty much. Oh, God. Here, people. Here, clubs are spending 25 million quid in the bloody championship. Davinson Sanchez. Alright. Ballas. In the summer, yes. Now, no. Will any of these clubs take the goddamn hint? Let's go. We won the championship. We are going to the Prem, which means I will have a decent amount of money. And we lost to Spurs in the quarterfinals. We lost to the champions of that competition. I am a lot happier now. I was already happy. We only lost 3-2. Mitrovic in a Sheffield United shirt. Oh. I mean, it does say that I didn't achieve all objectives, but I don't really care about the ones that they make for us. I just care about the playing style and stuff. But boom, in the Prem. Right, let's see if we can get this guy over the line first. No. 1 million. 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 1 milli Let's see out of my shortlist who I could possibly get. One person I defo want is this guy. Boom. Isco. Just to see how much I have. Oh, Jesus, not enough. Sure, what do? I'm just gonna take the piss just to quickly end negotiations and offer such a dumb fee. Okay, I'm glad that's over. I found a centre back that looks decent on the free agents. And either way, he's only 22 anyway. That wages sort of reduced expectations. 71. It's a little bit better. Right. This guy looks really good. There's a lot of green in his current stats. Either way. And even when it's not. It's crucial, that increases my expectations. Right. We'll try 2 years, but I doubt it. Oh, never mind. Right, his salary. I'm just gonna take a gamble at 30k. Boom. I'll take that. The piece of cake. Yes! He's 82 rated. Even if he goes down a bit, he won't go down hugely. 540k. How much can I get for him? 600. So, go on then, yeah. Oh, never mind. Right, he's 23. 75 overall. No. Lucas Boye. That is not Lucas Boye, but he's still not. At least I like it's a loan to buy offer for this guy. Oh yeah, I think all the players I've loaned out, I think all clubs have bought them. I've mentioned them because I've never felt like I've needed to. I'm happy with that. 280k. I'll take that. Boom. That's if I'd sell my best player when I still not have enough money to get a good replacement. I don't know how the hell we're not going to get fucked over by City. International duty. I will be very surprised if we do not get screwed over. I don't get it. I don't get Sims. They can either screw you over for like 2 months, which they did do for the first season, or make you draw against City. £35 million spent. Not sold anyone. That's actually kind of funny. Comrade Lamer. Comrade. God, I need to catch up on going videos. Neil Buchanan, you know. I'd want, like, an obscene amount of money to sell any on who would start, because then I wouldn't have enough money to bloody get a replacement. I really don't understand this game. I love her just like show that. Oh yeah, they spent 255 million, not sold anyone. All of a sudden, oh, Madison's been sold. Yo, they are Joe. Yo, they are Joe Gallart. City are Joe Gallart. Why the hell did you have Joe? Why did you sign Joe Gallart? He's gonna be rotting on the bench. You can't rot his career away. He's an exciting prospect. You've never heard me talk about it before, haven't you? Born in Scousland. Gotta give him the credit. Oh no, he signed. I'm an idiot. Why would I sell my best player when I wouldn't have enough money to replace him with someone decent? I'm not selling you. Alright, see you in Jan. Okay, we're in the January transfer window. We're somehow, like, probably 9th, 10th, mid-table. I'm not selling Isco. Got him a new contract. Boom. Right, apparently a bit, as far as I'm aware, it's been quite OP as a sub. Oh yeah, obviously, Amarella's going out of contract at the end of the season. I mean, not obviously, I haven't even told you. I'm not bothered. I've signed a lot of players, including Lucas Boy, on new deals, but I do not really care about him. I'll get a new deal. What a chance am I selling Maynard? What a chance am I selling him either? I'm not selling anyone who starts for the first team. And I'm definitely not loading out my backup. No thanks. This guy's commanding mental transfer fees now. 22.4 million. And I could get as high, apparently, as 30.6. For me, 30 mil or bust. Because he's 80 rated and he's 21. He's worth every penny of that 30 million. If not more. Obviously an extra 600k. Ooh. I'm gonna be persistent. Just because. That's what happens when you stay persistent, guys. Although I do have an idea of who I could get. So, right. I'm happy. He's gone. Ampadu will not be gone. But what's going on there? Nick Pope. I've bought him for Carlisle United as well. Because of course I have. I'm getting everyone that I've bought off Carlisle. Because I know they exist. And I'd be able to get them 15.5 million. I'll just go up to 16 just to make my life easier. Oh, boom. That was easy. Maybe I could have got them for a below market value. Oh well, it's only mil. Crucial, obviously. 1 year. I'll try for 2 years. That's alright, I'll take that. Right, salary. I'll just give him pretty much the exact same, except instead of just giving him 500, I'll just give him the... Oh, God. Like, gave him... Like, went on the wrong one. Clearly. 46,136. That's a very specific number that I'd rather not have. 46... 47. Boom! Got him. That is not bad, you know. Not bad business. 16 mil for England's international. Don't know why you go to Bayer Leverkusen though. And I don't know why I'd stick with a 65 rated bloody goalkeeper. That's how little I care about my backups. I reckon that should be it for this transfer window, but of course we've got to get through deadline day. Oh God. Hey, big Spencers. Biggest deal was in Dombele. Why are you trying to loan him? Who the hell are this club? Oh no. I'd already ended negotiations. Just to show you what we've done, we got a profit. And we also, as I said, one of our pre-contracts has gone. Pretty much. Oh God, they got 3 free agents. Or quite a few pre-contracts or something. Because they include them, for whatever reason. Yeah, £5.9 million. Very major deal. Well, this is going to be a very boring transfer day by the looks of things. Honestly. Well, that was pretty goddamn boring, not going to lie. Let's just see the end. Given that this will have to be in the summer now, I'll negotiate. They're not terrorists. Six or bust. $5.75. I'm not going to be persistent here because, to be honest, I would unwillingly accept less. We may end the season with a 3-1 defeat, but we end the season in 9th. That is decent. Okay, let's just have a look at these last few notifications. Jesus. There are quite a few players that I'm not going to keep. Because I'd already sorted out who I wanted to keep. Because I'm not keeping you. Not keeping you. Bloody hell, of course I'm not. Not keeping you. Obviously not keeping you. Might get you right back, actually. Not keeping him. Not keeping him. Not keeping him. Obviously not keeping him. Okay, boom. Always I'll join the one that gives the most money when it comes to pre-season competitions. And we're going to have a look at the transfer budget. See if it's any good. Which it never really is for the first 2 Premier League seasons, is it? I'm defo not going to get a new right back. And I don't really know what other position I wanted to strengthen. Can't remember. Oh, I could get him on a pre-contract next season if I wanted to. Nah, I need one now. Where else could I strengthen? Well, could I have strengthened if I had a decent bloody budget? Centre midfield, I'll still try to get someone. But for now, let's try to get this this Arawa. I've had a look. Okay. I think it should be like 77, 76. It was definitely an improvement on 73. Jesus. You have not got many reserves at all. Needs a new centre back. I'm not sure. Nah, I won't. Alright. I'll think about this offer for Isco. Focus. Thank you. If I can find a decent replacement in the free agents. Because sometimes you get lucky, you see. Right. Right, you can get lucky with loans. Right. Oh no, they're still saying right mids. Looking for a cam now. See if there's anyone any good. That name. I'm looking for someone I've actually heard of. John Mina. I feel like I've heard the name before. He's not very good though. I don't think. Doesn't seem that good. He could be alright. Or it might not be. I'm not gonna make a bet. Right, I guess I'm keeping Isco then. Because I can't think of other old cams. Again, 38 or bust, but we'll negotiate. We'll keep the one in there, it's only 100k. Right. Oh, he's an improvement. Yeah, I thought it would do that. Oh, let's see if we can get rotation. Get on that. $18k, I'll just make it 20 because I'm lazy. Okay, boom, the end. It be complete. I'm not gonna get him. Not really interested in selling this guy. Right, I've bought this because they haven't got much squad now. Okay, so we've got this guy, who seemed quite promising, who was a free agent. 71 overall, he's better than... Oh, current start one, Jesus Christ. It's not great, obviously, but... There you go. We're not exactly an elite team, are we? You can tell we need a bit more squads. I'll probably sign a load of free agents that will never play a single game for the club. To be honest, with our squad size, we can't sell a single player. One thing's for sure, I'm not taking this for the simple reason that I don't really need a right winger. Fair to my earlier point, we've had a crap start to the season, but this is only going to be the beginning. Jesus Christ, Brighton. This is only the beginning. This is the end of part one. We are in a relegation scrap as it stands, but I'm going to start playing the matches and cheat the system to hopefully benefit our chances of staying up. This build is not yet over. See you in part two. Why would I want to loan him out? Second of all, why would I want to loan anyone out, let's be honest. I'll be able to, like, start the scouting as well now. But we've done the hard bit. We've made it for the championship. No, it's just about the rest of it. I swear Zaniola went to Liverpool. Weird.